So if you are generating the AI animated videos, you definitely know about the challenges of maintaining the consistency. And if we talk about the traditional methods, you have to generate the images of your characters, then you need to create the multiple scenes, and then you have to animate this with any AI video generator, which is a lengthy process, right? But what if you can do all of these things in just one tool? Sounds exciting, right? So let me share the tool that can handle all of the heavy lifting for you. So let's dive in. Alright, so I'm talking about Animate AI, and this is their website. And if I scroll down, you can see these are some of the animated videos that they have generated using this tool. And if I hover over to the showcase, you can see we have the AI animation stories, AI movie trailers, AI motivational stories, AI kid bedtime stories, AI lo-fi music. So they displayed all of these categories just to show that what are the capabilities of this AI tool or what you can do with this tool. So if we go to any of these categories, these are some of the films, these are some of the trailers that they have generated using this tool. And if I play one of them, like this Jingle Joy, and just look at these output, all of them are looking very, very good. Look at the character consistency and the Disney style. It looks very impressive. And here are a few more outputs that you can try, and all of them are based on different stories just to show you what this AI tool is capable of. And if you go ahead to the features section, you can see we have the AI consistent character generator, AI storyboard generator, full video generation workflow, AI model integration, which includes the different AI models that includes Kling AI, Hunyuan, and Minimax kind of models. Then we have the AI video enhancer, that is the built-in, and then we have AI video generator that is on autopilot. You don't need to do anything, you just need to enter the prompt that I'm going to show you later in the video. Then we have free AI video generator templates. Now you might be thinking that you have to do all of these things separately, but if I click on get start for free, you can see here we have the interface, and these are some of the generations that I have tried earlier. And if I click on the settings, here are the advanced settings, and from here you can control the number of scenes. So I'm gonna keep it to the maximum, that is 5. Then you can also adjust the duration of your videos, which is the 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Well, 10-second isn't available yet, but this will be coming soon. Then you can also select your style, like the Pixar, Disney. I'm gonna go with the Pixar. Then you also have the option to adjust the aspect ratio. Well, these options are not available right now because this is in a beta, but in the official version you will have access to everything. So by default this is 16:9, and the resolution is the 720. And if we go ahead to the text models, which allows you to write the whole story, we have the GPT-4, we have the Gemini, we have the Claude 3.5. The good thing is that we have the GPT-4o, which is the best model from the ChatGPT. And if we talk about the video generation models, we have the best model here: Minimax, Runway, Luma, Kling, all of the leading AI video generators. So Minimax is the default model, and if we go ahead to the voiceover section, you can see we have different voices, and you can also classify these voices based on the male and female. So if I enable this, the AI will add the voiceover to your videos. So it depends on your preference if you want to use it or not. And these are all from the 11 Labs, which is again the leading model. Then we have few more options coming soon, like you can choose your character, then you can also add the background music, but these are upcoming features. So with these settings, just hit save, and now this is the time to prompt. But before prompting, make sure to turn on the auto mode on. Now let's give it any basic idea, like a story of a boxer from his struggle days to becoming a champion, and hit this arrow. So now you can see the AI has started generating the story, it generated the character, and now this is generating the scenes according to the story. And all of this heavy lifting just took around 5 minutes, and here we have ready to view video. And let's see how the AI performed.
In the quiet of the gym, Max's resolve was unshakable, each punch echoing his determination. Defeat was not the end for Max, it was a moment of reflection and renewed hope. Max's unique training methods brought laughter but also results. The championship fight was not just a battle in the ring, but a test of Max's spirit. True victory was found in resilience and the joy of the journey.
Alright, so in this one, you can see the AI has maintained the character in all of these videos. From one scene to another, we have the same character, we have almost the consistent clothing. Yes, we have some flaws in this one that we're gonna fix later. I'm gonna show you how to fix it, but this is the raw output. Now let's try something else, like a story of an introvert guy that became scientist, and hit generate. Okay, so this is the output, and let's watch this.
Ethan's world was a quiet sanctuary, filled with the wonders of science and solitude. What was meant to be a simple experiment turned into an unexpected spectacle. Ethan found joy in sharing his passion, blending science with humor. Even in the face of mishaps, Ethan learned to embrace the humor and connect with his audience. Ethan's journey from solitude to the spotlight inspired others to embrace their passions.
Well, not bad, not bad. And the good thing is that it's maintaining the character, and not just the character, it's also maintaining the style. Now let's talk about the manual method. So let's type any idea like a young girl on an adventure and make sure to turn off the auto mode. And this time I'm going to go with the 3 scenes and hit generate. So now you can see the AI has generated a complete story, and if I click on this edit icon, you can see this is the whole script that it generated. So if you want to make any changes to this, it all depends on you. You have the option to make changes. But if you are satisfied, just hit next button. So now it generated the name of our character, and if I click on the next button, this will generate the images of our character. Okay, so this is the image of our character, but if you don't like the results, you can click on this repick and the AI will regenerate the character. So this is another character, so I'm happy with this one, and hit next button. And now the AI will start generating these scenes according to our script. Alright, so this is the output, and this is not obviously bad. So the purpose of showing you the manual process is that if you have something in your mind, if you want to change anything, and if you don't like any results, you can obviously change it back according to your preferences. But the results are obviously good. And this will obviously not generate the 29 seconds long video always. You can adjust your video length according to the number of scenes. So these are some of the generations that I tried. Well, you can obviously do better than me. This is just the idea how to use this and what are the possibilities. And right now this is in beta, but if you use this promo code, you will get 10% off on every single purchase. So the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you guys in the next one.